ADGI Therapeutics, Inc. is a clinical-stage biopharmaceutical company focused on the discovery, development and commercialization of antibody-based solutions for infectious diseases. The primary endpoints were met with statistical significance for all three indications in the company ongoing global phase 2/3 clinical trials evaluating its investigational drug adintrevimab, ADG20, as a pre- and post-exposure prophylaxis, evade, and treatment, STAMP, for COVID-19. Evade and STAMP are primarily conducted during a time when pre-Omicron SARS-CoV-2 variants were dominant. Following the emergence of the Omicron variant, in a pre-specified exploratory analysis in a subset of the pre-exposure cohort, a clinically meaningful reduction in cases of symptomatic COVID-19 was observed with adintrevimab compared to placebo. Across both trials, a single intramuscular IM administration of adintrevimab at the 300 mg dose had a similar safety profile to that of placebo.